Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest fixes for your everyday apps. Today, we're diving into how to fix Cash App Bank declined payments in 2025. If you've ever hit that frustrating declined message while trying to send or receive money, you're not alone. With evolving banking security and app updates, this issue is more common than you think, but the good news is, it's usually an easy fix. Let's jump right in. First off, understand the common culprits: insufficient funds, mismatched bank details, or even temporary security holds from your bank. Start by checking your bank account balance through your bank's app or website. Ensure you have enough funds and no overdraft issues. It's the simplest step but often overlooked. Next, double-check your linked bank account in Cash App. Head to the Settings menu, select Bank Accounts, and verify that all details like account numbers and routing info are accurate. If anything looks off, remove and re-add the account for a fresh connection. Now, make sure your Cash App is up to date. In 2025, apps get frequent updates for better security and compatibility, so go to your App Store, update Cash App, and restart your device. This can resolve glitches caused by outdated software. If payments are still declining, look for any fraud alerts or holds on your bank account. Banks often place temporary holds for suspicious activity, so log into your bank's portal and clear any flags. Additionally, check for any daily transaction limits on Cash App and adjust them if needed. If these steps don't work, don't panic. Contact Cash App support directly through the app's help section. They can investigate specific errors and guide you further. Remember, in 2025, with advanced AI chatbots, you might get instant help. Wrapping this up, fixing declined payments is all about staying proactive with your accounts. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 tech tips. See you next time.